The people of Etche ethnic nation met on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, to deliberate on issues affecting the state and the nation, including the false claims of corruption and sponsorship of violence made against His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Governor of Rivers State, by one Dr. George Nwaeke. At the end of the meeting, the following resolutions were reached. 1. That Dr. George Nwaeke, the former head of Rivers State Civil Service, is a liar, betrayer, and notoriously untrustworthy. As a result, he is usually not invited to meetings of a ethnic nation where crucial issues affecting the ethnic nationality are discussed due to his unstable character. 2. That notwithstanding his rise to the position of head of Rivers State Civil Service, the highest position in the civil service, the Etche ethnic nationality did not consider him worthy of recognition as a chief, an honor bestowed on her deserving illustrious sons. 3. An eloquent testament to Dr. George Nwaeke's unstable character is the conflicting account issued by himself and his wife as per his now infamous trip to Abuja. Dr. Nwaeke, who lied and deceived his wife, is unworthy of any iota of credit. The world must treat his theatrics for its mere entertainment and amusement values and nothing more. 4. Before his trip to Abuja, Dr. Nwaeke had approached the Chief of Staff, Government House, Port Harcourt, for financial assistance in exchange for his loyalty. It is unbecoming that such a highly placed government official, known to have valuable assets within and outside Nigeria, was more interested in personal financial aggrandizement than honor and integrity. From the foregoing, his insatiable appetite for financial gain is the only explanation for his baseless allegations against the governor in order to please his paymasters and thereby ridiculing himself. 5. In the now viral clip of Dr. Nwaeke's drama sketch, which he tagged press conference, Dr. Nwaeke was commanded thus: "You will read from the text I wrote." And he thereafter read from the text that was written for him. This underscores that the so-called press conference by Dr. Nwaeke was staged by persons who are desperate to paint our innocent and performing governor and other respected sons and daughters of Rivers State in bad light, and Dr. Nwaeke, being a man lacking in honor and dignity, was a willing tool in their hand. This is very unfortunate. We invite the security agencies to investigate the conduct of Dr. Nwaeke with a view to holding him accountable for peddling falsehood against the governor of Rivers State and other prominent Rivers sons. This will serve as a deterrent to others who may wish to propagate falsehood against innocent persons for financial or other benefits. For the avoidance of doubt, the people of Etche ethnic nationality are not betrayers. We are a people who believe in the common good of Rivers State and therefore shocked at the despicable conduct of Dr. George Nwaeke. Accordingly, we, the people of Etche ethnic nationality, hereby dissociate ourselves from the shameful, ignoble, distasteful, and childish behavior of Dr. George Nwaeke, propelled by his insatiable greed for financial gains. We hereby reiterate our love, support, commitment, and unalloyed loyalty to the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, and we reassure you of our beloved, and we reassure our beloved Governor of our collective resolve to continually stand by him and his administration. Finally, we unequivocally and unreservedly condemn the unwarranted imposition of a state of emergency in Rivers State, the suspension of the governor, deputy governor, and members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, and hereby call on Mr. President to reconsider his decision in the best interest of Rivers State. Thank you very much.